Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to cancel items on Temu. But before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Once you're in, make sure you're logged in with your account. Then tap on You from the bottom dashboard. Go to Your Orders to see all of your orders. I don't have any active orders here, but if you have any, you'll get the option to cancel them, but only if they follow the given terms and conditions. It is only possible to cancel an order if it is in the processing phase. If it is already shipped, you can apply for a return, but you cannot cancel it. That is how you can cancel items on Temu. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this useful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.